That right there is a Lamborghini Revuelto, and in this video, you are going to hear supercars, sports cars of all different makes and models fire up. We're gonna hear the exhaust, and then at the end, we're just gonna compare it to the C8Z06. Let's see which one of these sound better than the C8Z06, if any of them sound better than the C8Z06. Right now at idle, this is what it is for the decibel reader at idle. That's pretty high just for idle. That's very, very high.
Trying to understand what you're doing.
Yeah, make sure they understand. All right, he's gonna rev this thing up, and we got the decibel reader. We're gonna find out this Revuelto with the Gintani exhaust, how loud this thing is. We already know what the C8Z06 decibels are, 128 decibels, but let's see what the Revuelto with Gintani exhaust sounds like. This thing is gonna be freaking incredible. He's gonna fire it up, and we are going to find out here in one moment. Let's see what this thing sounds like. He's gonna move it up just a little bit. There might be flames coming out, but we'll find out here in a moment. Gintani exhaust, Revuelto, V12, let's see. Oh my God. 129 decibels. 129 decibels. That's F1 loud. He wants another one. The crowd says they want another one. Another one. Oh my gosh, that is insane. It was up to 129 decibels, which is like F1 loud. That's like an F1 car.
It is called that F1 system.
And it's freaking amazing. Holy moly. Wow, that thing was insane. And the crowd definitely loved it. That right there is a Lamborghini Revuelto V12 with the Gintani exhaust. We got to hear how loud it was. We're gonna check out some more sports cars, but I wanted to start this one off with a banger, and that one definitely was a banger. And now we got the GT3 RS. We're gonna back that one in, and we're gonna do a little bit of revving with that and see what that thing sounds like. All right. Got up to 126 that I saw on there. So 126. 126 decibels, which is pretty high right there right now. 129 is in the lead, but 126 is pretty solid for a 6-cylinder. That's pretty solid. That's right. That's not that bad. 126 is pretty good.
Don't tell Jimmy I won lost to Gintani. By the way,
all right, we're gonna rev the C8Z06 now, and we're gonna have this in front. So I got my friend here, he's gonna hold it right here in front, and we're gonna hear it out. So you're gonna hold that, you're gonna hold this, gotta make sure that's in front of this. There you go, just like that. Yep, should be good. All right.
I'm gonna blow my eardrums out.
And that's right there. It was pretty loud. What did it get up to? What,
131.
131. Holy moly. We got to 131, folks. We got to 131 with the C8Z06. Now we're gonna see if we can get a battle between all three of them at once. Stay tuned.
All right, one more time. One more time.
All right, my boy's gonna jump in and rev it a couple times for me because I guess I gotta hear this thing out right here. Just go to drop, neutral and then hold them in. Yep. Yep, good to go. All right, you got to hear the CAZ, you got to hear a Revuelto, you got to hear a GT3 RS. Go into the comments, let us know exactly which one you like the most. I'm gonna see if I can get a few more revs for some other cars so you can hear them well. We got a bunch of supercars here, so why not? P1 McLaren right here. He just fired that thing up. I think he's about to go on a run on the airstrip maybe. I don't know if he's going to do any revving, but it's still good to hear what these crazy super and hypercars sound like that are here at this event. That's what this video is about. Crazy super hypercars that sound absolutely incredible. We're just hearing it all. Sorry for all the cutting around. We're going from one scene to another, doing all that stuff in the video. Anyways, the video is just about done now. The reason why I've cut back to here is while we were on the airstrip, there was a lot of craziness going on with the schedules and the Marines and the events and the air show. Everything going on. There was a lot of stuff going on, so unfortunately I wasn't able to shoot all the clips I wanted for this video sequentially like I normally would. I wasn't able to just go from one thing to another. Literally everything you just saw in this video was over the course of like 3 days. So like you might even see me change shirts a couple, be like one shirt for one scene, another shirt for another scene. That's because it was just a lot of craziness. So anyways, hopefully you still got the gist of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Yeah, it was pretty interesting. But anyways, more stuff to come. Going to continue to bring you all the best content I can. Make sure that you hit the like button on this video if you haven't hit it already. Make sure you leave a comment if you haven't. Please, if you come watch a video, leave a comment. Even if it's like, you know what, thumbs up, great, good job. Or like, if you have a real opinion, let me know the opinion, whether the opinion is something I might like or it might be something I don't like. Whatever, I don't care. Just leave a comment. I'll either say great, thanks, or battle you. Anyways, thanks so much for tuning in for the video. It's been fun. More videos to come. And share this video with friends, share it on Facebook, share it on whatever platforms you're on, LinkedIn, wherever. And continue to watch these videos. I want to bring you the best videos that I can. If you need any parts for your vehicles, please let me know. I put my email and I tell you about my website all the time. Go on there, order stuff. Hit me up if you got questions, and I'll help you order stuff. I'll try to get the best pricing for you if I can. Yeah, just support me. Anyways, thanks so much, and I will see you all on the next video.